Marketing manager Megan Bowen recently joined a major product launch initiative. To organize everyone working on the launch, she and her colleagues are using Microsoft Teams to have a single and secure location that brings together everything their team needs: chats, meetings, calls, files, and tools. When Megan comes to the office in the morning, she starts her day in the Teams section of Microsoft Teams. Here, she can see all the various teams that she is a part of. A team can exist within an organization, a product, or even an interest group. For the product launch, she has created a team called X1050 Launch Team. Within that team, she has also created several channels. Channels are dedicated sections within a team to keep conversations organized by specific topics or projects. Megan has created channels for her team to communicate and collaborate on design, digital assets, and the go-to-market plan. The app bar on the left gives Megan access to all main areas in Teams. From here, she can access her activity feed, chat, and the store. Megan can also use the command box at the top to query apps or search teams. Megan has several options how to navigate Teams. She can use the navigation, or she can use the command bar at the top of the screen, which integrates commanding with search. In addition to searching for people, messages, files, and apps, from here, she can command apps to search for information in an app, such as a news article, and can easily insert a specific result into a chat or channel conversation. Here she uses a / command to jump to the design channel. She can also take quick actions right from the box with / commands. / commands are shortcuts that allow her to quickly perform tasks or navigate teams, such as setting her status, adding a user to a team, or calling somebody. To get started with / commands, she simply types / to see a list of currently available commands. When somebody new joins the team, Megan can easily add them. A team can have up to 2,500 members across the organization, and even include external members through secure guest access. Here, she adds a trusted vendor to her team. When Megan adds a new person, they automatically get access to all conversations, information, and files that have been shared in the team, making it easy for them to ramp up for the project. And making it easy for Megan, as she does not have to think about which files, emails, or other information that she needs to forward. In Teams, Megan can choose how to communicate. She can engage in private one-on-one chats, in group chats, or in channel conversations that are visible to the entire team. Microsoft Teams enables people to communicate without effort through chat. Megan has some updates around design that she wants to share with the team. She will use the design channel for that. Chats are persistent and stored in their entirety, so Megan can quickly catch up while away or revisit decisions made in an earlier conversation. This adds a lot of value for new people coming into the team, or for current team members looking to revisit the context of the conversation. By default, team conversations are visible to the entire team, making it easy for everybody to stay in the know and to share information in a transparent way to accelerate decision-making. The @ sign shows that Megan is specifically mentioned, so she can easily find conversations she needs to respond to. The red bang shows high importance, so she can get straight into items or topics that are most important. When you have many members in a team, or when you have chats about multiple topics, it can be hard to follow a conversation. To help with that, Microsoft Teams conversations are threaded, so Megan can reply directly in context to specific conversations, keeping relevant chats grouped together. Further up in the design channel, Megan sees a conversation addressing the team. Within the channel, Megan can participate in existing conversations or compose a new message. Today she wants to share an update on design work, so she starts a new conversation. Megan can either send a simple, quick chat with just text, or expand the compose box to leverage rich formatting tools. As it is an important update, she adds a subject line, January milestone reached, to her message. She would like to specifically thank Alex for his input, so she adds an @ mention. This way, Alex will receive a notification and the conversation will show up in his activity feed. The culture of the team is very casual, so she decides to add a sticker. Features like this allow teams to have fun together. Successful collaboration is based on relationships. Teams provides built-in emojis and integration into Giphy. Teams also supports creating or uploading memes and other stickers. Megan decides to add an office drama sticker, as it usually gets a great reaction from her team. She creates a custom sticker by adding a caption, "You guys rock." This makes it easier for Megan to show her personality and humanize or soften her messages. Changing the communication style has changed the style of Megan's team. They can focus more on substance and less about formalities. Channel conversations also support the ability to email a channel directly. Emailing a channel is useful for forwarding an important email that you want to share with the team, or to move a conversation from email to Teams. To get a channel's email, just simply click the ellipsis next to the channel name to access the email address. For conversations that don't require the entire team, Megan can use a private, one-on-one chat or a group chat. In the chat section of Microsoft Teams, Megan will only see private conversations that she's created or to which she has been added to. She has some one-on-one chats with her team members. For example, Isaiah wants to run a new idea by Megan, so he started a one-on-one chat to see if she is available and whether she is currently online. She also has a group conversation with various team members, Alex, Johanna, and Lee. Megan can easily add more people to this conversation. She adds Nestor to her group chat because he will probably have something to contribute to the conversation. In Teams, users have frictionless experience no matter which device they work from. Teams is available across mobile, desktop, and browsers. When team members are out of the office or away from their desks, they can keep up with the team's activity in Microsoft Teams through iOS, Android, and Windows Phone mobile apps. Isaiah is traveling on business and uses his phone to check in on the latest team activities. He can check, compose messages, view documents, join meetings, and make calls just like on his desktop or web app. Isaiah's chat appears in the Teams desktop app. If Megan wants to, she can reply and talk to Isaiah in real time. Sometimes it's most efficient to jump on a quick call to resolve an issue or answer a question. Microsoft Teams offers a complete solution supporting sharing video and audio conferencing. Meeting and calling capabilities are built into Teams, so Megan can easily start a meeting directly from a chat conversation without having to sign in and out of multiple applications. To start a meeting, Megan can click Audio Call or video call to instantly turn a chat into an online call. Megan can also have a call within a channel. During a meeting, participants can use rich meeting capabilities, including video and screen sharing, file sharing, and chat to make the meeting engaging and productive. After a meeting, all conversations from the meeting are posted to the channel, or for private meetings, to the chat conversations of each participant. This is helpful for team members who are unable to attend the meeting, or for if Megan herself wants to read up on the context of the meeting. For more formal meetings, Megan can schedule a meeting in the Meetings section. In an experience similar to Outlook, Megan can enter information for the meeting, such as the title and details. She can also select the channel for hosting the meeting. which will include all members of that channel, or she can select individual users to be invited to the meeting. Meetings in Teams are integrated with Exchange calendars, so the scheduling assistant feature suggests times that are optimal for all attendees. Teams also offers cloud-based telephony and calling solutions. With the Microsoft Calling plan, users can have a dedicated phone number for placing and receiving both domestic and international calls. Advanced features include voicemails, which are also being transcribed. When it comes to collaboration, the deep Office integration enables Megan to use the Office apps she is familiar with and loves. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Planner, even Power BI. They are all built in and available right within the context of Teams. In a conversation, Megan can upload a file, such as a PowerPoint document. Every time someone creates a team, a corresponding SharePoint team site is provisioned as well. When Megan shares a document, it automatically gets uploaded to that SharePoint site, and all members of a team can easily access it through the Files tab. The Files tab is included by default for every channel and provides an easy way for team members to share and store content. By default, all members of a team can edit and view any file that has been shared within a team. No longer is information like this locked away in Megan's email inbox, but her team can communicate and collaborate in one single place, changing how her team works and making them more productive. Megan can also share files from third-party storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive. Here, she reviews a file that Joanna has shared with her. Megan can co-author and edit the file right in the app. As all of the files are stored on SharePoint, the latest version of the file is always accessible to any member on the team without the need for email attachments. Before, Megan would have shared this file via email, then someone would have added their comments, reshare it, etc. Now, she can simply click on the file to access the latest version. She can also review comments from other team members, making it easy for her to understand the full context of the file and continue the conversation right in place. As every team is unique, Megan can tailor her team and customize it with tabs, connectors, and bots to include the apps and services which are relevant to the launch project. Teams has integrations with over 150 partners. Tabs are one of the ways how to customize a team and can be added for files, notes, websites, and apps, both from Microsoft and third parties. This makes it very easy for team members to access frequently used content or services just with one click. Megan can pin important Office documents, like a Word, PowerPoint, or Excel file, directly to the tab bar. Creating a new tab is easy. All Megan needs to do is click the ellipses next to the file and select Make this a tab. Here, she has pinned the monthly project overview presentation. Part of Megan's role on the team is to track the opportunity pipeline for the new product line. This Power BI dashboard offers a visually rich view of current and projected opportunities and revenue. Megan opens the Power BI tab and sees several reports including the opportunity count, revenue, and upcoming opportunities which she wants to review in the meeting. Power BI reports are interactive. Megan can pause on any of these data points and get more information. Megan's team uses Microsoft Planner to organize their work and keep on track. The plan has buckets for organizing tasks for this project. Megan adds a new task, Analyze Power BI Data. She sets a due date and assigns this task to herself. Since she already has started, she sets the status to In Progress. In addition to pinning Office services, Megan can also pin websites or third-party apps like Trello for task management, Hootsuite for social media, or even the Adobe Creative Cloud to bring designers and creatives together. Here, Megan uses Trello to manage activities within her team. Megan can also add a connector for Trello. When you assign a task to somebody in Trello, then the connector sends a notification to the channel about that. Microsoft Teams is integrated with the wide selection of project management apps, social feeds, and data visualization tools via connectors. Megan can use these connectors to quickly add these apps to Microsoft Teams and to get updates and notifications from them. For example, the X1050 launch team has a dedicated media channel for external news and social media feeds. This channel includes a Bing News connector to show relevant news items discovered by Bing search. Megan can also bring information from apps into a chat or channel message with a simple click. Here she wants to share the latest news for AI in a message to her team. In the past, she had to go to the News tab, copy the link or a screenshot of the article, and then share it as part of the message. Now, she can click on the three dots or use the command box, choose the respective app, and then include information from the app in her message without having to switch context. She could also include a card with information about a task from the Trello board she created. In Teams, Megan can also access a personal view of many apps by clicking on the ellipses in the left navigation menu. Here, she can easily access the app she cares about and see all of the items that she has been assigned to across apps like Tasks in Planner and Bugs in Jira Cloud. Megan can also add intelligent bots to interact with Microsoft Teams. Bots can answer natural language questions and perform lightweight tasks, such as frequently asked questions. She's pinged Robot to the tabs bar, and she can acknowledge her team for their contributions. All she has to do to give the team kudos is @mention Grobot, then type the word kudos, and @mention the person who she wants to acknowledge. She can also see a leaderboard by @mentioning Grobot, then typing the word leaderboard. Megan can search and discover apps and services in the store. Here, she can search for apps by name, category, or integration type. Megan knows what she is looking for, so rather than scrolling through the list, she searches for Hootsuite directly. With one simple click, she can add the app to a team and choose which channels to add it to as a tab. Microsoft Teams provides a rich set of admin controls and security measures to help meet security and compliance requirements for any industry. Data is always encrypted, whether in chats, conversations, notes, or files. In the Office 365 Admin Center, an administrator can tailor the team's experience to the needs of their users, ensuring they meet security and compliance requirements, or even turn Teams on or off in their organization. In the General section, admins can select to show an org chart in each user's profile. Admins can set whether organizations can use bots to provide help to users or integrate with other apps. Admins can turn off video and screen sharing in calls and meetings in the Calls and Meetings section. In the Messaging section, Megan's organization can decide if they want to allow various kinds of content, including animated images, memes, and stickers. If animated images are turned on, they can also be limited by content rating. In the Apps section, admins can turn off support for tabs from Microsoft partners or side-loaded applications. Note that this does not turn off default tabs such as Files, OneNotes, and Planner. Office 365 groups are used to manage team owners and members. The Teams and Channels section links to the Office 365 Groups control panel. From here, an administrator controls who can create teams or groups. Using their controls, Megan's organization can make sure that they have control over how many people are using Microsoft Teams. In the Security and Compliance section of the Admin Control Center, Office 365 provides tools to help you understand and investigate cyber threats and take action to protect your organization from them. Megan can use the audit logs section to find activity related to emails, groups, documents, permissions, directory services, and much more. This can be used for a variety of services, such as finding out if a user deleted a document or if an admin reset someone's password.